So, here we are. Going picking it up at long last, almost 3 years. Starting at Wigan, go at Crewe, and then Hereford. Come on, jump on it. Let's see how it goes. Right, platform 4 it says. Here we are, platform 4. Hey, it says, keep off the track. Why would I ever do that? Eh? Is it me or what? Don't get that one. Right, first stop, Wigan to Crewe. See where it goes. Can't wait to get this patrol now, honestly. 3 year, almost 3 year. Absolutely bouncing this morning. I was up at Cracker Sparrows. Can't wait.
London Euston, calling at Warrington Bank Quay, Crewe, Stafford.
Right, first stop, Crewe. 5 minutes. Next train, down to Hereford. Belting. Right, we're here. Let's go and find us. More importantly, let's go and find my car. Can't wait. I know I said it a million times, but I just can't wait. Look at that bad boy. As if by magic. Look at that. It's here. Well, just got back home. Look at this, it's here, where it belongs. Look at that. Quick walk round. Absolutely tremendous. I'll get another video out shortly. Show you all bits and bobs. Belting.